this video I'm having a look at what we call the unitary method for percentage calculations. Now when you hear the unitary method, that's where you're finding out what 1% is and using that to find out whatever the question was. So in this case we've got 88% of an amount is $48. So my first step will be to find out what 1% is. So to get from 8 to 1, I've divided by 8. So I'm going to divide this one by 8. And 48 divided by 8 gives me 6. Then if I want the full amount, that's 100%. So I'm going to times that by 100. And so that will be $600 is the full amount. So when you're looking at the unitary method, that's the process you're using. Find out one unit and then find out the full amount. Sometimes the unitary method is used for comparing what the best buy is. If you're looking at two different products that aren't the same weight and different prices, you can find out what 1 gram costs you for both of those products. That's another way that the unitary method is used. In this case, we're looking for percentages. In this next one, we've got if 11% of a food bill is $77, find out what 25% is. So we're going to do the same thing and find out what 1% is. So we've divided by 11. So that means we'll get $7 for 1%. And then we want 25%. So that means we're going to times by 25. And so we'll get our 7 and we'll times that by 25 and we get $175 there as our answer.